What's up guys, and my name's Wawa, and I'm going to show you how I'll make a song in 30 seconds. Now first of all, this is a microphone condenser, which means it automatically reduces noise from background. This is where I got it from. It's selling for like $20 to $15, but you know me, I went on Temu and Shing for selling it for like 15 a piece. So if you want one, you better go on Temu. Shop like a billionaire. Before I start recording, I always make sure I do a little mic check to make sure everything sounds nice and tight. Pause.
Like I can't let you take me back. Even though I loved you, I wouldn't treat you like my last.
And that's what you call beautiful vocals, man. If you don't know what preset I'm using that, that ad-lib. Go on my band lab if you want to cop it. And the rest is just ad-libs and raps, I guess. So here you go.
Even though I love you, I wouldn't treat you like my last. I would've chose you, baby, nigga, I cheated you like this. I said I love you, baby girl, I'm tryna be my best. And all these niggas hate on me cause I'm just not mine.